Hello everyone. In Soweto, historically, an ANC stronghold sentiment is turning against the party, and its president Ramaphosa's ongoing Phala Phala scandal has tanks working in the area where he grew up. Unemployed, delusional locals, seeing no change, are saying Cyril Ramaphosa must go. Ramaphosa visited Soweto last year and made promises which he never fulfilled, and nothing has changed. This is according to Solomzi Tati. He said another Sunday passes and he still has no work and no money. Ramaphosa told us he's going to fix the electricity, but there's no change. When Ramaphosa visited Nomzamo Park in Soweto in 2021, he promised to improve conditions in the neighborhood. Visiting before local elections, Ramaphosa saw a paraffin wax stocks in the houses that had no electricity for 3 years. He saw the empty fridges and the children's legs with cuts that would not heal because of the dirty water. Solomzi said in front of the cameras, he made many promises, but for some local people, they were just words. As always, ANC people, they talk and they don't do anything. It is against this backdrop of anger over the unkept promises and a growing frustration with the ANC that Ramaphosa faces the worst scandal of his political career, one that could yet bring him down. The claims of over $500,000 stashed beneath sofa cushions in Ramaphosa's Phala Phala farm have fueled resentment in Soweto and elsewhere. Ramaphosa has denied any wrongdoing, saying this cash was payment for buffaloes bought by a Sudanese businessman. But the Section 89 panel said he may have committed a serious violations and misconduct. Solomzi asked why didn't he change the money and how did the money first come into the country. He said he could no longer vote for the ANC after the affair. He went on to say, Ramaphosa must go. It's clearly an abuse of power. I have no house, no car, and I'm making just enough to pay for the bills. What did he do for us? What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.